The harder you work, the better your life will be. I guarantee that. I guarantee that. We work. We keep our eyes on the prize. We focus. We do anything and everything we have to do to achieve, to move forward. And every day that you do not work to achieve your best self, you just wasted a day.
No errors. Push forward. Back nice and slowly. 4 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Drive through. All right. Make sure we look nice and brave and determined. Drive through. Yes, indeed. Slowly out. Drive through. Keep yourself stable. Breathe, brace, and pull. Going to do your very best. Do your very best, my dear. Keep it tight as you can. Breathe, brace, drive through, elbows together, elbows together. Elbows together. Drive through. Finish up, let's finish this up. Come on, breathe. Drive. Let's show these people what failure looks like. Come on. Show them what it looks like. That's good. Take it back. Take it back. Give me some pumps. Come on. Take it back. Take it back. Slowly out. That's it.
That's it.
All right. Wide stance with your legs. Nice wide stance. Very wide. Keep your pelvis flat. Hand is relaxed. Arm is relaxed. Okay. Pivoting with your spine in a big curve. Relax your arm. Pull through your shoulders. Keep your eye on your collarbone. Yep. Nice and tight crunch. Nice and tight crunch. Crunch. You gotta go a little slower. Slow it down. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. A little fast. Slow it down. Crunch. 3, 2, 1. Pull. Nice tight crunch. Nice tight crunch. Good. Pull. Good form. Good form. Looking good now. Now we're looking good. Keep this movement. Same range of motion. Change nothing. Breathing pattern is good. Keep with it. Stay. Pull. Yep. Stay with it. Pull. All right, let's go. Pull. Pull. Easy out. Take it easy out. In. Slow. Pull. Keep your back straight. Everything straight and tight. Move lateral only. Pull. Yep. Keep yourself in between two walls. Pull. You're almost there. Stay with it. Grit your teeth. Deal with it. You're not done yet. Pull. 4% of your day is spent in here. That's it. Deal with it. Pull. Maximum effort for 1 minute of effort. Come on. Deal with it. You gotta do it 6 times. That's it. Deal with it. Pull. Crunch. Slow. Pull. Slowly out. Alright, so. Pelvis flat. Yep. Nice and wide stance. Breathe, brace. And pull. Tight crunch. Don't bend your elbow. Arm is loose, dead. Your arm is a cable. Pull through your shoulder. Good. Pull. Pull. Slow. Control. Pull. Pull. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Pull. Yep, keep yourself between two walls. Move laterally. Pull. Keep that pelvis flat. Pelvis flat. Curve the spine. Tight curl. Yep, good, good. Keep the arm straight. Loose arm. Loose arm. Take it out. Slow. Slow. Pull. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Pull. Pull. Slow. Pull. You're almost there. Stay with it though. You're almost there. Move the back. Curl the back tight. Tight curl. Tight crunching movement. Nice tight crunching movement. Give me two more. Two more good ones. Nice tight crunching movement. Come on. Elbow to pelvis. Keep the pelvis flat. Last one. Last one. That's it. Take it out.
The harder you work, the better your life will be. I guarantee that. I guarantee that. We work. We keep our eyes on the prize. We focus. We do anything and everything we have to do to achieve, to move forward. And every day that you do not work to achieve your best self, you just wasted a day.